Here I have Google Pixel 6 Pro with Android 13 installed, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect in camera on this operational system. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to let me just take one shot, for example, with this feature enabled, then go to settings and disable it. So here you have this feature, save selfies as previewed. So let's enable it, and as you can see on this one we have, I don't know, like flower on this side, and on this one we have it on this side. So basically these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.